It's Joe, and this is my next project.
Well, they got it ready today. It's gonna pour tomorrow. Got some big footers for the porch, some beams cut in it. I'm ready to go. Ready to get this show on the road. Get some sticks in the air. They sprayed the bug treatment on it before they put the plastic on it. And they really messed up my driveway here. Not to worry, it'll all be fine. Then we're gonna do a walkway through here. I think they're gonna form that up in the morning. All right, I'll turn you back on when the truck gets here. And there it is, right close to sundown. Took them all day. 7 guys. M&N Concrete in Longview did this. They do a lot of our concrete work and just did a super job here. They stayed and it turned out great. Can't wait to get some sticks up. Front porch. Couple of bedrooms here, master bedroom there, master bath, utility room, kitchen. Gonna have a, there's my old lawnmower. Gonna have the door going out here, and it'll go into this garage. This area will have brick, and any water will run off the surface right out there, just as planned. I'm really pleased with it. I think they did a super job, man. So we'll get the framers over here, get some sticks in there. Hey, thanks for tuning in.